Hello and welcome to Nolan School of Motoring. In this short video tutorial, we will be looking at difficult locations on the driving test routes from the Bredbury Test Centre in Manchester. On this road, you will be asked to follow the traffic signs for Bredbury. On the approach to this roundabout, start reducing your speed early. Look out for your road markings and traffic signs alerting you of a roundabout ahead. Take your time with your observations to your right. Traffic will be travelling quickly on this roundabout. As you can see, you now have to deal with another roundabout. The examiners will ask you to take the first exit at this one, which is under the bridge, back towards the test centre. Again, take your time, look to your right, make sure it's clear before you move off, and give a good signal as you exit this roundabout. You will be asked to turn left at the next set of traffic lights. Be mindful of when to time your signal. There is a service station on the left. Drivers are quite aggressive in this area. At the next set of traffic lights, we will be making a right turn. Here you can see lots of road markings. We have a keep clear, and after the keep clear, you will have to then deal with a yellow box junction. Just make sure you don't queue in these locations. Here we have a sharp bend on the approach. You could have a meeting situation at this bend, especially buses. This is why it's important to take your time as you bear left. As you look at the road ahead, you can see a sharp bend with a solid white line. Do not allow your front offside wheel to cross the line. This stretch of road can be quite demanding. You potentially have meeting situations and clearance issues. Take your time and make sure you do not get too close to the vehicles parked on the left. As you get closer to this junction, you can clearly see a no entry sign. This road bears right. Look out for your road markings. There is a giveway directly in front of your vehicle. Be mindful of not to just carry on without looking. In our final clip, you're heading towards Stockport town centre. Just around the bend, there's a set of traffic lights and you will be asked to turn right. It's important to reduce your speed as you approach this bend, as the traffic lights are just immediately after it. It is important when you move off from the traffic lights to stay to your left. You do not want to affect drivers in the lane to your right. I hope you found this video useful, and please subscribe for more videos.